Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 2, introduction to linear polynomials, exercise set 2.6. It's on page number 36, question 1 and part 5. So the question says, draw the graph of the following sets of lines. In each case, reflect on the role of A and B. They are given three equations here. Y is equal to minus 2x minus 3. Y is equal to minus 2x. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. So we have to draw the graphs of all these three. So the first one, y equal to minus 2x minus 3. So let x be equal to 0. Then y will be equal to minus 2 into 0 minus 3. So minus 2 into 0 is 0. So y will be equal to minus 3. So the x coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is minus 3. Let x be equal to 1. Then y is equal to minus 2 into 1 minus 3. That's equal to minus 2 minus 3. That's equal to 5. So x coordinate 1, the y coordinate is 5. Minus 5. Y coordinate is minus 5. So it is minus 5. Let x be equal to minus 1. Then y will be equal to minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So here x coordinate minus 1, the y coordinate is also minus 1. So now we will put them in the box. So x, y, 0 minus 3, 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 1. The next one, we'll go to the next one. Y is equal to minus 2x. Y is equal to minus 2x. So let x be equal to 0. Then y will be equal to minus 2 into 0. That's equal to 0. So x coordinate 0, y coordinate also 0. So let x is equal to 1. Then y will be equal to minus 2 into 1. That is minus 2. So 1 minus 2. Next, let x be equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 2 into minus 1, that's equal to plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2. We'll put them in the box. X is 0, y is 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1 and 2. The third one, C. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. So let x be equal to 0, then y will be equal to 2 into 0 plus 3, that's equal to 3. So 0, 3. Let x equal to 1, then y equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, that's equal to 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5. So it is 1, 5. Let x be equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So minus 1, 1. So we will put them in the box. X, y, 0, 3, 1, 5, minus 1, 1. So now we will plot these three graphs. So the first one, the values are 0, minus 3, 1, 5, 1, minus 5, minus 1, 1. The first point is 0, minus 3. X is 0, minus 3. So this is that point. Next one is 1, minus 5. X is 1, y is minus 5. This is that point. Third one is minus 1, minus 1. So x is minus 1, y is minus 1. So this is that point. So if we join these 3 points, we'll get the graph. So we'll get the graph like this. This is the graph. So we can write here y is equal to minus 2, minus 3. You can write here y is equal to minus 2, minus 3, minus 2x, minus 3. The next one, next one is y is equal to minus 2x. The values are 0, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2. So 0, 0 is this point. 1 minus 2, x is 1, y is minus 2. So this is that point. Minus 1, 2, x is minus 1, plus 2 is y. So this is that point. So these two lines, so if we join these points, we'll get the graph. So this is the graph. So we can write here y is equal to minus 2x. So y equal to minus 2x. The third one is y is equal to 2x plus 3. The coordinates are 0, 3, 1, 5, minus 1, 1. So 0, 3. 0, 3 means this is that point. X is 0, y is 3. 1, 5. X is 1, y is 5. 1, 5. This is that point. Minus 1 plus 1. X is minus 1, y is plus 1. So this is that point. So let us join these 3 points and get the graph. So on this I can write y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we have to reflect on the roles of A and B. You can see here these two lines, the slope is same. The value of A is same, minus 2, minus 2, both have got same slope, but the value of B is different. In this case it is 0, in this case it is minus 3. So these two lines are cutting the y-axis at two different places. This line cuts at 0, 0. This line cuts at 0, minus 3. So these two lines are parallel. They have got the same slope, but they cut the y-axis at two different places because their values of b are not same. So they are parallel. Now coming to this one, y is equal to x plus 3. This because the value of b is 3, it cuts the y-axis at 3. Okay, and the slope is 2. So this has got a positive slope. This line has got positive slope. All the 3 lines have got the same slope, but this is positive slope. These two have got negative slopes. Because the value of the A is same, 2, 2, 2 in all the cases. But in this case it is plus 2. So it got a positive slope. These two cases it's minus 2. They both have got the slope is not positive in these two cases. So this we will write down here. So y equal to minus 2x minus 3 this line intersects the y-axis at minus 3 because b is equal to minus 3, and the next one y is equal to minus 2x intersects the y-axis at 0, as b is equal to 0 in this case. These two lines have the same slope, because a is equal to minus 2 in both the cases. So they are parallel. Both of them have a negative slope. Because a is equal to minus 2. Now coming to the next third one, y is equal to 2x plus 3. This line intersects the y-axis at 3 because b is equal to 3. This line has a positive slope. As a is equal to plus 3. In these two cases, a is minus 2. So they got a both of them have a negative slope. In this case, it's got slope is same for all the three lines, but this is positive. This line has got a positive slope because a is equal to 3. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.